Introducing this 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT conversion van. Offering a VMI NorthStar manual in-floor ramp system. This vehicle features a 3.6-liter V6 engine and around only 43,000 miles. Simply open your sliding door, grab the ramp handle, and easily slide your ramp out. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT conversion van. Call AutoMobility Store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.